Welcome to our demo on integrating PushEngage with Shopify. Today, we'll show you how to set up automated price drop and restock alerts for your store. The price drop and restock alerts are one-to-one campaigns where your push subscribers can subscribe to these alerts for individual products. They can choose to receive alerts for price drops or for products that are out of stock so that they can be notified later. All this without adding any code, as our campaigns directly integrate with your product feed. First, navigate to the Edit Alert Campaign widget. Customize your messages for price drop and inventory alerts. Adjust the alert button label and colors to match your branding. Next, set your notification preferences for the campaign of your choice, including the frequency and design. Customize the notification messages and images for better engagement. Ensure you set a campaign expiry and add the alert price that will trigger the campaign. You have the option to set this based on an absolute price drop or a percentage. Configure your UTM parameters for tracking and set your campaign goals. Once everything is set, activate your triggered campaigns. Monitor the performance from the dashboard to ensure your alerts are effectively driving customer engagement and sales. Thank you for watching.